In this video, we're going to show you how to sprout cucumber seeds in just 48 hours. It's a simple and effective way to start your seeds before planting them in soil. This method isn't just for cucumbers. It also works well for seeds like pumpkin, melon, beans, and squash. The idea is to pre-sprout the seeds so you can clearly see which ones are ready to grow. To begin, take a piece of burlap sack. Burlap is ideal because it holds moisture while still allowing air to pass through. This creates the perfect environment for seeds to stay moist without suffocating. Lay the burlap flat on a clean surface where you can work comfortably. Next, place a layer of tissue paper on top of the burlap. This layer helps retain moisture around the seeds and keeps them gently in place. Make sure it covers the area where you plan to spread the seeds. Now take your cucumber seeds and place them evenly on the tissue paper. Leave a little space between each seed. Don't overcrowd them. Giving each seed room helps them absorb moisture properly and prevents roots from tangling as they sprout. Once the seeds are in place, cover them with another piece of tissue paper. Now the seeds are sandwiched between two soft, moist layers. This setup keeps them hydrated from both sides and protects them during the early stages of germination. Using a spray bottle, gently mist the tissue paper with water. Avoid pouring water directly, as it can displace the seeds. The goal is to keep the tissue evenly moist, not soaked or dripping. After moistening, carefully fold the burlap sack around the tissue layers, wrapping it like a small package. This helps lock in moisture and creates a safe, enclosed space for the seeds. Lightly sprinkle some water over the outside of the burlap as well. Keeping it slightly damp ensures the environment stays humid, which is essential for germination. Now place the wrapped sack in a shaded, cool area. Avoid direct sunlight, as it can dry out the seeds or overheat them. A spot under a table, inside a shed, or any calm shaded place works perfectly. Leave it undisturbed for about 48 hours. During this time, the seeds will absorb moisture. Their outer shells will soften, and the germination process will begin. Tiny roots will start to emerge. This is the first sign of life. After 2 days, open the burlap wrap. It will feel like unwrapping a small surprise. You'll notice many seeds have sprouted, showing tiny white roots. Some seeds may not sprout, which is completely normal. Now your seeds are ready for planting. Handle them gently to avoid damaging the delicate roots. In your garden or planting area, make small holes in the soil using your finger. Place one sprouted seed in each hole, with the root facing downward. Cover it lightly with soil and press gently to secure it in place. Water the soil after planting, keeping it consistently moist. Within a few days, you'll start to see fresh green shoots emerging from the soil. This method saves both time and effort. Instead of planting dry seeds and waiting to see which ones grow, you already know which seeds are viable. It also prevents wasting space and seeds in your garden. By pre-sprouting, you ensure that only healthy, active seeds go into the soil. In just 48 hours, you can prepare strong seedlings that